The dreams of the Tripura Media House is going to be set true. The Khumulwng Press Club is on the process to get the land allotment from the state government with the help of the ADC Government to establish a new building of the Khumulwng Press Club, which is going to be a press club of Tripura. After many years of struggle, in the end, last 2 years back, the state government had approved the Press Club of Tripura, or the identification of Tripura Press Club, which is the Khumulwng Press Club. In the year 2021, 5th March, the Khumulwng Press Club was inaugurated by the State Chief Minister in presence of ADC CEO. However, even though the establishment of the Press Club of Tripura was approved by the state and ADC government, the Tripura reporters are facing several difficulties because of not having their own land and press club building of their own, which is why, with the initiative of Maharaja Pradit Kishore Dev Burma, the high official of ADC government has taken the initiative to establish the building of Khumulwng Press Club. After that, on the accounts of the ADC, CEM Purnachandra Jamatia and ADC CEO CK Jamatia has provided all the necessary work to provide the land allotment for establishing the Khumulwng Press Club. In the end, after the long wait, the dreams of the Tripura Media House is going to be set true. The Khumulwng Press Club is on the process to get the land allotment from the state government with the help of the ADC government to establish a new building of the Khumulwng Press Club, which is going to be Press Club of Tripura. On that account, the executives of Khumulwng Press Club visited and had a discussion with Jirania SDM Shanti Ranjan Chakma on Wednesday.
Belai hambai marawo ADC hapang no, suno Khumulwng ni amsayo. Chini Khumulwng Press Club katal tangan ni bagai land allotment klanya ni bagai no objection certificate deman ni bagai sung Khumulwng hapang ADC hapang ni bakakte joto officially samong payman iya gulo land allotment ni bagai sung tini Chini Khumulwng Press Club ni joto jamarok ani ganabo Press Club ni president ako kraung sumai tongo tei tipa TPM ni bahage Jompujala Press Club ni joto adong rok ojomarok secretary president tongbayo tini belai ke Chini Khumulwng Press Club tai Khumulwng Press Club ni andaro joto organization tongnai joto member tongai rong bai kok tomakam sung dakino Khumulwng go Chini Khumulwng Press Club land allotment ngan thangai tongo aban bagai sing tini SDM ni thani copy de paika bini bakakte abono phirok mongman kha dakino jisuk mansak Chini Tripura Media hambrani bagai bo abono sakha mangna harai register khalanya ni bagai Chini Khumulwng Press Club ni mane bo sakha mangna harnai.
Yeah, at first I want to thank the government of TTADC. As now we are standing in SDM office of Jirania. We have already got no objection certificate from TTADC government for setting up of Khumulwng Press Club, and already the land had been identified, and we have received a copy also. And today we have come to submit our application to SDM, and the SDM of Jirania has assured that very soon he will be processing the land allotment, and I hope very soon Khumulwng Press Club and for all the Tripura media persons of Tripura will be getting a land allotment, and soon will be building a press club in Khumulwng.
The Jirania SDM Shanti Ranjan Chakma responded the land allotment paper will be given soon immediately to the Khumulwng Press Club after all the formalities and work is over. He further responded that along with the land allotment, they will also be provided with all the facilities and important aids from the state government. Reported by Probir from Jirania, Chini Khorang.